this tomorrow.
It's supposed to rain tomorrow. All right, got my parts. I'll be back momentarily. Oh yeah, all the parts we need. Intake, and that box I got a throttle body spacer, throttle body, calibrator. What my tools in? I know I got two toolbox. Gotta have that. Oh, I'm gonna figure out. Are you about to use your laptop, your tablet, laptop? Can I borrow it?
Yes, don't fuck it up.
Absolutely. I appreciate it.
Your password is her birthday, 11:05.
Gotcha, no problem. Last thing. Let's get down to it. Boom. Let's go, gang. We're going to coming out the packages. Got the Stang over there. They got the hood up. Again, right? I ain't gonna lie, that's some great visual on the iPhone, bro. That's no cap. Whoop.
You bought me a Sunny D?
Hell no, I forgot all about that shit. I ain't gonna care. My bad, bro. My mind wasn't trapped, bro.
Fuck.
I was gonna do. I said I was gonna start. This was my purpose today. Also, I was gonna do what he do.
Fuck.
I start YouTube.
Man, I probably told you bring me a Sunny.